guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Graze subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've got a notepad here of a few different ways how to cancel your Graze subscription. So we'll go over the first way, which is using the app on your mobile device. So what you want to do is open up the Graze app and then make sure to log in. And then from there you want to tap on your profile icon or menu icon. And then find and tap manage subscriptions or my boxes section. Then look for an option to cancel your subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. And now another way is by using the Graze website. So visit the Graze website and log into your account. Click on your name or profile icon, usually located in the top right hand corner, and select account or my account. Find the section labeled your subscriptions or similar. Click on subscription you wish to cancel. Then look for the cancel subscription option. Follow these prompts to complete the cancellation.